Hello, greeting tutor. Good evening. My name is Wilson Daza Lopez. I am foreign language student at the University of Tunat Pitalito. I am from the city Popayan, but now I living in Pitalito. I am very happy to be here when you in this course is very important for me because I can improve my English skills. The next question is how many learning outcomes can you find in the syllabus? The learning outcome demonstrated and practice oral skill to express on self-pruding in the spontaneous in different cultural topics for social or academic purpose. The learning outcome interpret, extend discourse even when it's not clearly is structured and when a relationship are only in play and the not extending style. The next question number three, what are synchronous interaction activities? Synchronous interaction activities are the space for participation between pairs in the tutor, when the purpose sorry, in the improving language skills, in addressing different topics, and the making online presentation. Next question, how many activities does the course have? The course has had three units. Again, the next question. Which activity in the course implies right-hand interaction? Planning language studying based in current knowledge in the language, peer and tutor participation to improve oral production skill in relation to academic and cultural topics. In addition to use being up the development social language skill through debates. For example, prepare for listen and speak test for international standard exam. For example, conducting occur online meetings in the presentation through web conference system. Answer the question number five. Summary with your own words the current role and the condition summary. The English 7 course include a series of activities that must be taken into account so that students can develop language and express skills in the English language. Respect in the solidarity are fundamental principles in the interaction with the other students in the course. In addition, we must follow the role of the university of the course with responsibility in committing participation, the activity in other activity in the each of the 10. Next question, number six. Is your institutional email working properly? Yeah, my institution may work correctly. Step number two, reflection of the English language answer. I was learning the English language was my dream since I was child. But for me, learning the skill was not easy because I the school and colleges where I didn't my training the teacher did not have much knowledge of the English language. I was left with my many doubts about this important language in relation to whether I have the English certificate. I don't have a certificate. My level English, I think, basic level. I have acquired my level English, especially, for example, watch TV, listen to music, read books. No more. Okay, I would like to realize it to the dream I had since I was a child to learn a new language, but I would also like to teach English to my children, the student, learning a new language require practice every day to create the habit, the practice, and practice with dedication and discipline. I wear organization, routine, and practice activities that over all the skills of the language we the want to learn. Uh, Preparing for the listen and the speaking papers in the international standard, the text and delivering in according online meets and the presentation through web conference systems. Okay, next question number six. Summary when your words, the cultural and condition summaries. The English 7 course address number of the condition, the must to take in account for its correct development. Respect and solidarity are fundamental principles in the interaction with the other members of the course. In addition, the regulation of the university of the course must be with responsibility and community participant activity in the activity step and each of the activities. And next question is your institutional malware properly? Yeah, my institutional malware current. Thank you, teacher, tutor, for your attention. I am nervous. My English is not very well. I'm sorry. Thank you. Bye bye.